Chewy. Chewy, come get your rose. Whoa. Isn't that just the cutest thing you ever saw? Ever? Isn't it? You can't have no rose. It's Chewy's. Eat that rose, Chewy. Eat it, yeah. It's so good, huh? There, let's fix your hair. There you go, sweet boy. My sweet boy. Oh my gosh, look at that face. I cut his hair. I think he was just getting too hot. Then he ate a bunch of dog food and got really sick for 3 days. Ugh. Never ever let your rabbits eat any kind of carnivore food. It is not good for them. What you doing? Are you done eating your rose already? Oh, where you going? Choo-choo. Chewy. Oops, sorry. Come on, come get your rose. Oh, it's so good. Chewy, come on. His favorite things in the world are roses and pumpkin seeds. We put a towel down because he gets so much hair when he's up on the bed. Let's see if I can get him to eat some pumpkin seeds. Oh, he goes crazy over these things. Just calm down. Chewy, calm down. Can I get him out of the bag? Jeez, here. He loves cat treats, and I can't give him cat treats because they've got meat in it. So I put his pumpkin seeds in here with the cat treats. That way when I give the cats a treat, he thinks he's getting the same thing as them. Otherwise, he'll steal their treats and eat it. He will eat meat. Right here. Right here. Get it. He's a good boy. Chewy. One more. You want one more? He is gentle. Look at these little ears. Look at these little tiny ears. He's so small. He's full grown. I mean, look at the size of my hand compared to him. I don't know. He's amazing. Can't have no nasal spray, Chewy. I'm sorry, but you can have a couple more pumpkin seeds. There you go. Eat him up. He actually is more active at nighttime when we're trying to sleep. He's doing laps across my face and chest. I'll wake up and he'll just be sitting on my chest staring at me. There's no more. He has that rabbit instinct to run, so he runs. Right, Maisie? What's up? Say bye, Chewy. Say bye-bye to everybody. Say have a good weekend. Share this video with somebody. Somebody that you love, somebody that you want to make smile. Show them this little marvel of creation. He is so freaking cute. Just drives me crazy. He hears Danny's bell on the floor. Danny has a bell on his collar. Danny had anxiety really bad, so I put a bell on his collar, and believe it or not, that helps him calm down, because they get used to the noise and it just moving around their neck. It calmed him down. I don't know what happened to him before we got him, but he was definitely scared of the hand. To this day, he's getting to be almost 2 years old, or is 2 years old. He still gets hand shy, and we've never punished him in any sort of way. The cat, not the rabbit. Maisie, what are you doing? There's something on another. Look at that. Just a whole video of cuteness. She licking her paw. She does that all the time. She probably has arthritis in her paw. You're eating the wrong end, buddy. You're eating the wrong end. You like those thorns? Yum, 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 yum. Maisie is a miniature Russian Terrier. She is not a Chihuahua. They all look the same. Well, some have long hair, some have short hair. Oh. You want some rose, Maisie? Go ahead, get your rose. Get the rose. Get it. Alright, I'm going to end this here. Love you guys. Have a good weekend. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Come on, help us out. Help us out. We love you. We care about every single one of you that watches this video. Well, honestly, we really do. So subscribe. Leave a comment, please. We talk back. I promise you we do. Bye-bye.